In this example, you explore the annotation show hide action and how to use it to show hide elements on a PDF document. You can access this example on our website. Navigate to Examples and select .NET. Then select the Core Suite Examples. Select Annotations to navigate to the example. You can access the source on GitHub. The file is annotation showHideExample.cs. Let's start with the class only having one static method named run. Create a new document instance. Add the namespace to the class. Create a new page instance. And add the page to the document's pages collection. Create a new button instance. In the buttons constructor, set the button's name and dimensions. Set the button's label as click here. Create a new text field instance, and in its constructor, assign its field name as text1 and set the field's dimensions. Set the text field's default value as text field default value. Create a new annotation show hide action, and in its constructor, add the text field's field name. Assign the action to the button's mouse down reader event. Add the button to the page's elements collection. Add the text field to the page's elements collection. Add the document's draw method to output the created PDF as a file. Ensure program.cs is calling the class's run method. Notice we have everything else highlighted out, so we don't run all the other examples. Run the application, wait for it to run. Now, in the output folder, open the created PDF. Click on the button and the text value is hidden. But notice if you click it again, it doesn't show the text field. So let's go ahead and add another button that uses an annotation show hide action, only this time it's going to show the text field's value. Create a new button and assign its name and dimensions. Set the button's label as show. Create a new annotation show hide action instance and set its constructor to the text field's field name. Set the action's show field property to 2. Add the newly created button to the page's elements collection. Go ahead and add the action to the newly created button's reader event's mouse down event. Run the application. Open the PDF, and now we have two buttons. Clicking the first button hides the text field's value. Clicking the second button shows the text field's value. And that's how you use the Annotation Show Hide Action class. Access the Dynamic PDF Course Suite for .NET NuGet package from our website. It's a free download with the limitation that all unlicensed PDFs will have a watermark. Learn more about the Annotation Show Hide action from our online documentation. Also, refer to Chapter 16, Making PDFs Interactive, in the book Dynamic PDF Course Suite for .NET by Example. You can find this PDF on GitHub. Dynamic PDF Course Suite for .NET is easy to use and straightforward. With a free evaluation edition to try and with flexible and royalty-free licensing options, why not try Dynamic PDF Course Suite today? I'm James, Developer Evangelist at Dynamic PDF, reminding you, when you think PDF, think Dynamic PDF Course Suite. See you next time.